Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start life insurance with MetLife, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the types of life insurance offered by MetLife. Visit MetLife's official website to find comprehensive information. Consider your personal needs and financial goals when evaluating policy options. Identify whether you need term life insurance or whole life insurance. Take note of the difference between the two types. Term life provides coverage for a specified period, while whole life offers lifelong coverage. Use the online quote tool available on MetLife's website to estimate your premium. Select your age, gender, and desired coverage amount for an accurate quote. Review the available plans and their benefits in detail. Determine how much life insurance coverage you need by calculating your financial obligations. Consider factors such as mortgage payments, educational expenses, and living costs. After determining your needs, prepare necessary documents for application. Gather personal identification, health records, and financial information. Reach out to a MetLife representative for personalized assistance if needed. Complete the application form either online or through a representative. Review the policy details carefully before submitting your application. Be prepared for a medical exam. MetLife may require it depending on the coverage amount. Schedule your medical exam as directed by MetLife. Await the approval process. This may take a few days to a few weeks. Once approved, review the final policy documents sent by MetLife. Make your first premium payment to activate your coverage. Keep your policy documents in a safe place for future reference. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely premium payments. Review your policy periodically to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Stay in touch with your MetLife representative for ongoing support and guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.